Delegates from Republic of Korea Force. We would like to extend our hearty welcome to all of you who look forward to our display. This is commentator Captain Kim. Lieutenant Colonel Shim Gyu-young is in charge of today's flying display. We also have Colonel Kim Young-min, the unit commander. Senior Sergeant Seok Jun-ho is our sound technician. We prepared a very dynamic show for you today, and it's my duty to keep you fully informed of the display content. This show will take about 10 minutes and present you 8 ships maneuvered by world-class pilots. Please turn your attention to left behind. 8 flaggers are entering the display zone with the big arrow formation, symbolizing the will to defend the homeland. Ladies and gentlemen, I present you the Black Eagles from Republic of Korea. The cannot pass on your right. Now this time the cannot pass representing the wolf to soar into space. They'll testify you with this precise formation. Ladies and gentlemen, cannot pass from your right. This is happened to me and amazing. To pick a shining star to demonstrate strong willpower of Republic of Korea Air Force. And they have formed the arrow formation, symbolizing courageous venturing spirit. Every little thing about you, I wanna love you, love you, love you. Born to love you, born to love you, yes, I was born to love you. Born to love you, born to love you every single day. Leggers in front once again with a burst of energy, expressing roll council words to lift into the sky and beyond into space as they subsequently change formations. Ladies and gentlemen, the flaggers are now descending with the diamond formation. On your left, the diamond formation. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause. The next formation you are seeing now is the albatross formation, symbolizing the will of Roka, dreaming of great leap to infinity and beyond. Then the eagle formation symbolizes bravery and strength. that requires extremely well-trained teamwork and mutual trust. You can steer from the bloggers and the bloggers only. Keep your attention to the right, please. Bloggers have from the victory formation. And now they'll pass by you with this precise formation. Ladies and gentlemen, grand finale for the show. On your right, the red spot to a press maneuver.
I'm only human, and I'm drifting in the dark. I'm up in space, up in space.
Pilots are concentrating on teamwork to sound out their breath to maintain dense AC formation. Teamwork is the symbol of the Bliggers and the competence of Brokaw. Ladies and gentlemen, have you enjoyed the display? Then please give us a round of applause as much as you have enjoyed. And also, please click the follow